Hakasantrik unaitung ahaja arpuar kasengi bagi nohikai klaweng hijaki la Mih Madan pat sa Nongtrei jong National Health Mission ha Meghalaya. Kini Nongtrei ya kiblatip kum ki service delivery staff kila mi che surok ban peloin ka jingyat pajba nadu Madan Malki shadu ko office DHS Lam Khra ban penpau ka jing persya ka jing penhiari ka tulap jongki nadu balas dang pentrei kam me ka rationalization. Unong aktien jokani ka kinhun Uba kodor lang lingdo ulay thuru baya kani kajing penhiari ke tulap ki Nongtrei lale klam da bishar benya.
Bacun pau ningkong kani ka jing yaki kalong haki ar penta kani kasi ko menta ka baningkong kalong apo. Ini hanong ba shalong ba kare apo pura. Ti kajing yami pa ka jongi kalong hang ni kadai na kani ka rationalization ka bangi yong. Ti kidon ki staff ki bahap apo jong kani ka kanhun apo jong kata kalama jong ka service delivery mo jong ka Meghalaya. Di kidan ki staff ki ba hadin balale ya kani ka rationalization di kajing siu ka jongki kalahiarno di bat ba ngidon ru ka jinget ba kani ka rationalization ka balale kamshim don kata ka le harkom ka badai bat da ka ba da bishar bania da kanu ka kanhun ki ngisukwa ban panjing shai ken kumngi ki baya trailang ha kani ka por ka menta ba habaw lale ya kanu ka kam kumbalakular da mission director Ahmad jongi akan dikapor ke beladam ke bangilaya kendu ya ong ba ni unpej benia buat bishar ling ba ka qualification ke pengidon kidon hang ni ki doctors kidon hang ni ki staff nurse akan kenhun kidon ki ANM bat kumta terter ti hendrei klem da pej bahai ka qualification ke bangi ngidon ti la shule le se hakanu karukom ka ba la bishar da kanu kenhun kata king kamamla ban pau shai
kini Nongtrei kila kerpat ru no MD ban penkiwi ka tulap jongki karkum ka jingya jong kapor.
We all the staff nurse we are not satisfied with the salary that we have received by the third draft. Even the first draft, the second draft is the same, and we expect that the third draft it will be increased, but still it is the same. So accordingly to the livings that we are living today, a standard living, and all the things have been increased, it is not satisfied. It is not according to the salary that we have received. So what we request to the MD, if he can increase a little bit, it should be according to our needs and according to our responsibilities and according to our workload which we work in the UPHCs, either the PHCs, either the CHCs, especially the staff nurse, all the nurses like ANM nurses, they have to conduct the delivery case. In case the doctors are not there, if anything happens, like any critical case or any situation happens, the nurses get the blame. So the doctors also have been increased. What about the nurses? So we request the MD, if he can increase the salary for the nurses also, it will be satisfied for us all.